কৃষ্ণ বিনোদিয়া সাঁঝের বেলায় যমুনার জল আনতে বলে কে সাঁঝের বেলায় যমুনার জল।
Hello, I am Dwaipayan Maji. I am from West Bengal, and I have mentioned Patachitra as the heritage of West Bengal, and now I have came to West Midnapur, Pingla village. This village is very popular for Patachitra artworks, and this is the house of Mr. Bahadur Chitrakar, who is very popular here and very renowned artist. Here he has done many projects for state government and central government. Here are the details. Let's see. Here are some masks from India, different states, different districts, and some foreign masks are also here. Let's see his actual work, which is Patachitra, the masterpieces. Come with me. Here are some pots, Patachitras here. Now see, these are all different kinds of wooden materials, beautifully designed with various types of acrylic colors. The figures are very beautiful and colorful. Now see, these are all colorful cloths in which stitching has been done with threads in Patachitra style. See the detailing, very beautiful. Every pot, every Patachitra tells a story to us, to the public, and this style is going generation to generation. The actual history of Patachitra comes from actual Guha Chitra, and then it comes to cloth, paper. They have also used natural colors, natural fibers. Here are some pots here. He has also some personalized library here. Here, come with me. He has a rare collection. As you can see, this is a papyrus. Different kinds of languages are written on it. Let me inform to my viewers what a papyrus is. It is actually an ancient process where the ancient Egyptians processed the plant's pith to create a writing material. Just have a look how beautifully all the writings has been done here. Here are some books also. He has a great collection of books and articles. He has also written some books. This is his table. Thank you, Government of West Bengal and Central Government, for organizing this journey. I have learned a lot of things from this initiative. Thank you so much.
সাঁঝের বেলায় যমুনার জল আনতে বলে কে সাঁঝের বেলায় যমুনার জল। সাত বেড়া কাঞ্চনী ফুল গো কাঞ্চন নগরী মাঝে আরি রাধা কৃষ্ণের দুই অঙ্গ মিলন হয়েছে সাঁঝের বেলায় যমুনার জল আনতে বলে কে সাঁঝের বেলায় যমুনার জল আনতে বলে কে সাঁঝের বেলায় যমুনার জল।